Hello friends, welcome back. So in today's video I am going to show you how you can get a free game, means without investing any money you can get a PC or iMac game. Means you can play that game in your iMac or PC, means Windows. Okay, so you just have to search in Google free games. As you can see, this is Google. You just have to search free games. I'm showing it in my mobile. So here it will come a website named Epic Games. We all know about that Epic Games, and there is a heading get a free game every week. Okay, first of all I will say that please don't do this in your mobile. It is only for a PC or Mac. Okay, please don't do this in the mobile. It is only for PC and Mac. So let's go. So guys, first of all please ignore the background noise. I'm very sorry for that. Okay, let's go. Here as you can see it is marked free games. Okay, so there are many things here like Fortnite, Rocket League, EVE online, and many things. Let's add one to wish list. Here as you can see I've added one. Okay, now okay, here I have to go to Epic Games first of all, and then I have to go to Discover. Here as you can see there is an arrow. Here you just have to click and you will get wish list. And here as you can see on in my wish list I have got Fortnite just for free. Yes guys, it's true, I have got Fortnite in my wish list of Epic Games. And first of all, once again I am saying it is only for the Mac or PC. It is not for a mobile. I will first say it. If you have a PC or mobile, then it is only applicable. Else it is not applicable in your mobile, iPhone, OnePlus, whatever it is. It is not applicable in that. So now I have to go to get. It's loading here. As you can see, it writes thank you. Okay, let's see. So guys, I have successfully purchased a free game. Yes guys, it's true. So that's all for today guys. And first of all guys, I will like to say you will receive an email notification from Epic Games in which email you have registered. So this is the thing guys, and then you have to download Epic Games launcher and you can play the free game. So that's all for today guys. Bye, thank you for watching. Thank you for your precious time. Bye guys.